What's up everybody, Rishi here, and in this video we will learn how people buy backlinks and fake views to get ranked in Google and YouTube. Remember what I told you in the very beginning of this module about cheating? The term black hat is related to cheating. So far we have been cheating too, but only to a certain extent. That is using only grey hat techniques. And we have not spent any money for building backlinks. Now, when it comes to cheating for ranking for videos, it comes down to two types: cheating to get ranked in YouTube and cheating to get ranked in Google. As we saw earlier, cheating to get ranked in Google is all about backlinks. The more quality backlinks we have, the higher we can get ranked above our competitors. So many a times people buy backlink packages from Fiverr vendors who provide Edu backlinks, Wiki backlinks, Xrumor Blast, SE Nuke Wheels, etc. So if your competitor has extremely large quantity and quality of backlinks, then only you need to consider buying these Fiverr packages. Now when it comes to cheating with YouTube, it all boils down to views. As you know, the more subscribers, comments, likes, views you have, the higher you can get ranked in YouTube. So people try to get ranked or try to fake the viral effect by buying fake views from companies like Vegas. But according to YouTube, anything that artificially increases the number of views through use of automated systems, such videos may be closed down from and removed from YouTube. So even if you're going to consider buying packages from these kind of websites, you have to be careful, because things like bots which fake views are against the YouTube terms of service. So I would recommend you don't consider buying any fake views to get ranked in YouTube. My intention of creating this course is to try and show you how to make money with CPA using as much free techniques as possible. Moreover, as I told you that there are so many keywords that you can go after and get ranked for, and even if for some reason you don't get ranked for the keyword, then you can always go for another one. I bet that at least a few of them should stick following all these methods. So let's say that you have 5 videos ranked and each of them pay out around $50, and at a very modest 2 conversions per month, you are looking at $500 a month, which is very good considering you are only direct linking and going after product name keywords. But let me be very honest, you are not going to make huge amounts of profits only by direct linking method. This is our short-term strategy. In the next module, we will learn about the long-term strategy that in combination with our direct linking short-term strategy method should yield you $100 paydays. So that's it for this module, and I'll see you in the next one.